are you all? I hope you all are spending your quarantine time in a productive way. So, as we are studying our block 2 in SST, houses then and now, and in our last video, we learned some of the reasons why people live in different types of houses, and we also learned some differences between houses of the past and present in rural area. Today, in this video, we will find differences between houses of the past and present in urban area, and we will find the difference between houses in rural area and the urban area. So students, these two terms, urban area and the rural area, we have already discussed in our last video. Urban means the city part and the rural means the village part. Yes. So in the last video, we talked about the rural area. Now in this video, we will talk about the urban area. Okay. Now firstly, look at the picture of these two houses of cities. So student, which house is older? What are the difference you see in both these houses? See, the second house is an old type of house. Old type of house used to have a courtyard and verandas. Do you know what is the meaning of courtyard and veranda? Let me explain you. Can you see this area? This is called a courtyard. Courtyard means an open area within the house, okay, and is surrounded by rooms or the walls, as you can see here in this picture. Now in the second picture also we have some different courtyards of different types of houses. Okay, is it clear to all? Now what is veranda? Can you see this picture? Here we can see a veranda in both the houses. The old house used to have the verandas. Veranda is an area extending from the house which is open from the sides but have a roof. Okay, as you can see in this picture. Here also we are having a veranda in the house. Is it clear, students? So the second house is made of brick, stone chips and wood. But the first house, which is a multi-story building, it has many floors and it is made of cement, steel rods, and the windows are made of aluminium and the glass. Okay students? See, these days there are more multi-story buildings in cities. Many families are living in the same building in their separate flats. These buildings do not have any open courtyard or verandas as we learnt in the old types of houses. The cars are kept in the basement. Yes, these apartments or these multi-story buildings have a basement. What is a basement? Basement is an area below the ground level that is used to park the cars or the vehicles. As you can see in the picture here, basement is given, okay, and some of the cars are parked here. Is it clear, students? Okay. See, now old houses used to have a ventilators. Ventilators, what it means? Well, it means a small window near a ceiling so that air can pass. But in separate flats, they don't have ventilator. Now, why are the houses changing in cities? Think about it. See, cities now has become more crowded because many people come here to look for better jobs. Therefore, space is not enough here and the land has become more expensive, and that is why there are more multi-story buildings than a single-story buildings. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Now, what we have learned till now in this video, that the past houses in cities are different from the present houses. Yes, in the past, we were having more double story or single story houses that used to have an open space. We call them veranda or courtyard. Yes, we also used to have a ventilators to pass the air. But now in present, there are more multi-story buildings and the families are living in the same building in their separated flats. We don't have an open space, but we have a space for parking our cars below the ground that we call the basement parking. Yes, we have ACs instead of ventilators. Is it clear? So that was the differences in the house of past and present. But what is a common thing in that? We have a separate space for cooking and bathing. Yes, and the most important thing, both kind of house, whether it is past or it is present, both give us a shelter. I hope it is pretty clear to you all. Now, what comes in your mind when you think of a village house and a city house? Houses in the village are usually single story made of mud and bricks, unlike the multi-story houses in cities. Yes, village houses still have open space around them, unlike the city houses. Yes, city houses usually have space to keep cars and vehicles, while village houses have space to keep their cattle. Yes, and inside of each house is also different. However, a few things like separate space for cooking, bathing is common in both type of houses. Am I clear to you all? Yes? Okay students, now one question for you to think. Do we need a multi-story house in village also? Think about it. No, we don't need, because Indian villages are not crowded as our cities. So there is enough space for people to live. That's why people don't need multi-story buildings in our villages. Okay students, so that was all about in this chapter, and if you still have any doubt related to this topic, you can ask me on WhatsApp. And now your homework is you have to complete your volume books and you can send your answers to me on WhatsApp. Well, good day, do your study and don't waste your time. Thank you.